Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming what kind of logarithm you have, because the base changes the conversion. Once done, isolate the log expression so it sits alone on one side of the equation. This eliminates extra algebraic clutter. Make sure to check domain restrictions immediately. Logarithms require x0, and any transformations must preserve that. By doing these first steps, you set up a clean path to apply inverse operations. This is the why behind every move, not just rote manipulation. Now convert the logarithmic statement into an exponential one, because that turns the unknown into a direct value you can solve. Log b, x equals y becomes by equals x. Once converted, perform algebraic steps, multiply, divide, or factor, to isolate x explicitly. If you encounter an unfamiliar base, use the change of base formula so calculators can help. Log b, a equals log a/log b. Then evaluate numerically if needed. Keep tracking domain conditions, because solving might finish by substituting each candidate back into the original equation to verify it satisfies both the equality and the domain requirement x0. If you started with multiple logs, make sure you combine them with properties, product, quotient, power, before converting, because that can change feasible solutions. If a candidate fails, troubleshoot. Recheck domain restrictions, arithmetic mistakes, and sign errors. Sometimes a negative or zero appears that must be discarded. This verification step prevents accepting invalid answers and explains why checks matter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.